Hello mga kalaminians, and today we're going to Talamban because i-try out din natong bagong cafe na ako na-discover ba, ang Home Cafe. So feels like home kay tanawa ba, mura rin yung balay ba tanawa, homey king feeling ba. So kanahan gud kay ko diri kay mura mag feel at home kay ka, and they have a lot of food, of course, and drinks. It's a cafe, but they offer a lot of good food. So nasa like coffee from Brazil, Bintol man nilang gigamit, and they make wonderful coffee. Money. Atong ordero is basically their, their lattes, their hot and cold drinks. Na hindi mo ani niya, my kayo kani ilang barista, with kuya kay mga machines gamit, and of course I expect really good coffee here. If you love coffee, this one, legit kanilang kape dire. They use Bintol na Brazilian coffee roasted locally, and of course gamit nilang cool kina machine, and of course murag kana kung hilig kag kape, laban yun kayo. And they also do latte art sama ani, of course. Guwapa na kayo itong kape ni Ron. Beautiful. Pero wala, di lang kape ang naadire. So of course, of course we have the hot mga latte, but they also offer other amazing drinks. Sama ani, kaning uso naman na kaniyo, mga kaning cold, kaning matcha strawberry na combination is also uso na. And this ilang own creation na ang balsamic fizz, and kaning ilang latte. And now sila yung mga food, the fish and chips kana, one of the best na. So kani, mao ni ilang latte, atong isagol. Guwapa. Diba kani ang balsamic fizz made murag nindot ani cocktail ba diba? And kani of course uso na most cafes naroon nga ng strawberry matcha latte na combo. And mao na atong unang tilawan. Creamy kayo. Kaning balsamic fizz lagi murag nindot ni butang nag gin or vodka ba, murag it makes a good cocktail, pero lami sad kini on its own. And of course ice latte with no sugar, mao na ato para matisan na to ang kalami silang kape. And here mo na lami sa ilang mga food selection, from kaning fish and chips made of lamon, one of the best. Lami kay murag kung ganahan ka mo kaon og tarong ba, inaan sila dire, di ba? Na sila shrimps, na sila salads, kani sa day ang ube matcha is one of their ube latte, matcha latte kunuhay ba, kana dayon kani ilang salads, di ba? O kanilang humongous na chicken sandwich, chicken burger. They also have rice meals, perfect yun kaya, kani ribs, katong kaninang pork chops. So laban yun kaayo. And tanawa kadako ani. So mana kung nangita kag nindot na cafe that where you can eat good food, homey food, homey vibe pag yun, where you can work, I think this is one of the best. Check them out. So I just had an amazing experience in this Home Cafe. I love the chill home vibe, pero napag yung comfort food, and of course the coffee is amazing na daan because local roasted, the Brazilian coffee, great notes like chocolate, basta lami siya. But also they offer good food, great food, great Wi-Fi. So if you're looking for a work from home vibe, but with better food and coffee, Home Cafe it is by Mona, perfect spot for you. So Home Cafe here in Woodland Road. The rest Talamban, guys. Check them out and keep on supporting local businesses. Visit niya pohon. Bye.